Hello guys, what up? If you don't know me, my name is Fadil, and today we're going to continue our project building the Evernote cloud, part 3. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we forgot something in our backend. Let's open the user resolver. We forgot to make routes for requesting our new access token. So we're gonna make it in here from the express route. Type app the post slash refresh token. Here we can get the refresh token from the request cookies with our JWT cookie. Then we check if there's no token, then return rest.send success would be false. Then access token would be empty string. Okay, and then in here we want to verify the token. Of course, we want to make the data first value of null. Then we verify we make a try catch for the verify. Data will be equal to verify the token and the secret, refresh token secret. Okay, and then there's no promise in there. If there's an error, then we try to return the rest with empty access token. And then after checking the token, we want to find the user, and then wait, find user, data user ID. Yes. If there's no user, we return the empty access token. If there is a user, want to generate a user, we want to generate an access token, new access token. We import the function, and then we return the access token. Okay, it's done, and let's open the Postman to check the routes. Check the routes of refresh token. Open here, localhost 4000, don't forget. Then slash refresh token, and then set the cookie. Set to the cookie would be Evernote dash WT JWT. The value will be we can get from the playground. Login, then send, get token from the cookies, and then we put it in here. Okay, save it. Let's try again. There's an error here. Okay. Okay, there's an error here. Verify, but oh yeah, we forgot to add cookie parser, so we're gonna add this as a middleware. And import the cookie parser. Go import it, cookie parser, and then I'm gonna use it in here. Okay, let's save. Wait for the reload server. And oh, still an error. Oh, we need to install the types. Ah, okay, install again. Let's save it. Let's wait first. Okay, just save and wait for the okay. Let's request via Postman. Okay, it's false, and then it's invalid. Oh, of course, we got it wrong in here. Should be reverse token secret. Okay. Okay, let's request. Still invalid. I think the token is wrong, so let's just update it again. Login, and then we okay, login again. Get the cookie, copy paste all of the cookie, and then set the cookie with the token, save it. Let's try it. Okay, success. We get the new access token there. Okay, it's work. And also we want to set new refresh token in here. Firstly, we can make function for refreshing the refresh token. Should call send refresh token, and it would be rec from respawn, and then rec from the request, and then we just copy this to this, and then we need the import all of it. Also, we want the refresh token to be passed here, type of string, and then we'll use it in the user resolver. Just delete that, and then we also want to use this in here, first token, and it would be generate refresh token. Okay. We're gonna make a new routes for revoke our user session, our refresh token. This would be used if maybe like user want to reset the password, so we want to revoke all the previous token, so it will not, so it can be used again. There's an easy way that we can check token version, and then we save the token version inside the database. So we need to add a new column here, named column name token version, and it will be type of number, and no. This is for the GraphQL, for the type graph. We set that in int and default 0, with it field that returning as int integer, and then so we call it revoke user session. We're gonna return a boolean, and then and here we want to increase the token version of the user. So we expect the user ID. So in here we can use the TypeORM of get connection with the repository of user, and then we expect the user ID arguments. The type of string, yes. And this is a promise, so we await, and then this would be a user class entity, and we want to increment with condition of ID with the same as user ID, and then what value we want to increase, what column, and then the value increased by 1. Okay. So ID should be exists exclamation. We can check this when we get the refresh token here. So we're gonna check in here if user dot token version is not the same with the data the data that user token version. Yes, so we need to input the token version 2 in the token. Let's put it that let's put it that in the refresh token here to input this token version, and then user dot token version. Okay. Let's check a version not the same with data dot token version. If it's not the same, we want to resend the empty access token. If it's true, then we go through this. Or we can check that by requesting the access token. Let's make a route for because if we want to check the revoke user session, we need the user ID, so we can make a new route here for getting our profile, our user profile. Query me, and then but this route will be guard and only be accessible with user with token, with access token. So I'm gonna put use middleware, and then we expect this to I don't know, we can access context here with type of my context. Then here we put a function that we can accept the context with next function. We return the next function, and then we gonna check from this context here. So we're gonna get the token, and then context.request .headers, yes, .headers with authorization. Let's call this bearer, and then you get the token with bearer split with the space by space. Then we want the second array. Then we're gonna check if there's no token, then we will throw new error. It says not authenticated. Okay, if this pass, okay, if this pass, we're gonna check the token. Is it valid? So we want to verify. We want to verify. Is token correct with the secret? This is not a promise. Okay, and then we're gonna check if it's not valid. We will throw new error again. If this pass, we will wrap this with try catch and put it inside of try. Then we will throw no error when we catch error. Okay. Let's put that in the new function so we can import it. Let's put it in the helpers. Call is out. .ts. Then we export this out, paste it in here, and then we set this to be manual function, and then with type of our context, my context. Okay. Okay. Let's import all the needed function and const. Okay, after it's done, want to use that in here. Okay, in here also we want to after we verify the token, we want to put the payload of this token to the context. Okay, let's put context.payload equals to invalid. Let's call this to token payload. As any. So okay, oh yeah, we must update our context. So let's put this token payload as any. Then this will be okay. The error is gone, and then we go to the me routes, and then there's an error. Wait. Oh yeah, this should be conditional. So it's not required. Okay, in here we want the payload. Yes, context.token payload, and we check if the payload doesn't exist. We return no. And we want to find our user. User find one with payload.user ID. Yes. We will wrap this in the try catch. Return null in the error, and we want to log the error also. And then we will return the user. Let's wait. Okay, success. Let's check in the playground. Get the access token. Then we put it in me. We don't need the param. We just want what we want: ID, email, username. Okay, and put it in the headers. Okay, success. We can get the ID, and we want to check the revoke user session. In here we want to hit this, so we copy our ID user, and then we that mutation revoke, and user ID will be that user. There's an error. Wait. Yes, this is should be returned true. Okay, let's try again. Oh wait. Okay, yeah, okay, it's true. Then we can get me. You see, the conversion is increased. Updated. Of course, user can still access the routes with the access token, but it's only for 15 minutes. After that, it needs a new access token, and they must request it from the refresh token. And in the refresh token, we check uh, if the token version is not same. We will send the empty access token, so they can access it again. Okay, it's done, I think. Okay, let's check it out. Let's update our refresh token. Can copy this and put it in here, and it will fail because the token version is already different. See, success. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.